Guys, I'm back. I know it's been a while since I posted, but I'm alive. Today I'm going to be trying the Buldak spicy noodles. I've been seeing it a lot on TikTok, and I gave in and I wanted to try it, so that's what we're gonna be making today. So let's get into it. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. It's been a while since I made a cooking video. But my review on the noodles, they were actually like very spicy. Like they were way spicy than I thought it would be. My nose is kind of running a little bit. But yeah, they were very spicy. Anyways, thanks for watching this video and keep up for more.